My name is Beatriz Soto, and I am the director of Defiende Nuestra Tierra at Wilderness Workshop, an organization that is a conservation watchdog for nearly 4 million acres of public lands on the western slope of Colorado. My love for the outdoors and passion for mi cultura inspires me to do the work that I do. I'm inspired to do this work because I want to make sure future generations can experience our beautiful planet and can thrive in it as themselves in a sustainable manner. I'm celebrating Latino Conservation Week by hiking and camping with my loved ones, as well as advocating for our public lands and climate. I hope you will join me in celebrating too.